Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate bill payments with PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your bill payments with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section on the main dashboard. From there, select Manage Automatic Payments. Click on Create a Payment to initiate the process of setting up a new scheduled payment. You will now be prompted to enter the details of the bill you wish to automate. Input the name of the payee or service provider into the designated field. Next, enter the payment amount that will be deducted automatically. Select the frequency of the payment, choosing from options like weekly, monthly, or quarterly. After defining the frequency, set the start date for the payments to begin. If applicable, specify an end date or choose to have payments continue until you cancel. Review your payment details to make sure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to finalize the automatic payment setup. You may need to verify your billing information, so ensure your payment method is up to date. To double-check your settings, return to the Manage Automatic Payments section. You can edit or cancel your scheduled payments at any time from this menu. For further reassurance, you will receive notifications regarding upcoming payments to your registered email. With your automatic payments successfully set up, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your bills are paid on time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.